video. Oh.
Hey up, you're on camera here, lad.
Oh.
That out, Josh. Justin being stupid. So yeah, what day? Wednesday. Hey up, now then, back to another week at Airedale fencing, Monday, sun shining for a change, nice. We're at Wishing Well Nursery in Bingley, a couple of days there. We've done various works there actually over the last few years, just doing a bit more down the hill. The lads should hopefully get some footage. Baggy's away actually on a stag do, Benny Dawn, very nice, rest of the week. So then Justin will have to take over with Jamie, and they're going to Parkside School at Cullingworth. We've done various works there as well, just going back to another stage, and we're just having a bit of a mess around in the yard and tidy up and whatnot, putting some new fencing away. I've got a kid coming tomorrow to put some new tracks on the digger, and we've got the lads from EWSE here today actually, and I've been kicked out of my little office. You can see he's putting some new, getting his wires ready for some more cameras. There they are, look, they love it, these lads. Sneaked up on them. But yeah, we're gonna finally get sorted in here. Got it all set out. My desk here, we've just got getting his internet sorted out. Yeah, we've got it all sorted out and all ready to go, rocking and rolling. A bit dark in here actually, I should probably turn the light on, but he ended up having to rewire it all. Oh, I don't like that, light's gone funny, hasn't it? Keep it off. But yeah, I think Matt's gonna go there a few days a week, get that side of the stuff sorted, and I'll probably be here. We'll catch you later.
So, happy Monday from Airedale. We're putting in some 2-point high V-mesh in green today, and we're in Bingley at Wishing Well Nursery. Jamie's got his eye-vis on always. So yeah, we'll crack on. We're just cutting this bit down now for access, and then I'll show you exactly what we're doing. So basically this bit is, you can either cut it off or roll it back on itself and then pin it back up. And then, let me just get through there, Baggy. So just off this post here, this section will be coming out, gate in the middle, going up to this corner, coming back down. All this section down here, pretty much half panels, obviously because of the hill. We stay a foot away from the edge as well, so it's nice and secure in the ground. Stay well away from that tree, all the way to where you just see that there, and then back along. You can see my hand back along this line here. And like I said, any steps will be done in half panels, and then we're basically going to be following this old wall what's coming up, once again foot away from it, just to make sure we don't tamper with the edge. And then just there is our straight line to this tree here, and then another gate going in there. They're actually going to have a timber walkway down here, so they all fenced off, can come in here, go down there. It is quite steep, so I can understand why they're doing it. Obviously we did all this fencing around the perimeter edge not so long ago, and this stuff down here, so yeah, we'll get cracked on. It's a good 2-day job. Access is a bit crap, so yeah, we'll crack on. Lads are already out and ready and going, so let's get Monday over with.
So yeah, what day? Wednesday morning already.
Don't edit that one out.
Wednesday morning, we're just in, well this is actually Justin's office now. He's kicked me out of it. I'm actually next door, but Jamie's actually doing his CSCS online. He's doing the test, so he's under exam conditions at the minute, so we can't go in there. So I'm just loitering in Justin's, but I'm making him clean his screen because he's a dirty get. You can't even see it. He's had me looking at something and I can't even see it. There's that much dust on it. So yeah, well, to be fair, he's only just got in here yesterday, so he's got to clean it all up, but he's got all the shelvings up and stuff now. And yeah, we're just doing some bits and bats today. Actually, Baggy's going to Benidorm today, so he's on holiday mode. Oh, he's here now. He's done it. Have we done?
Yeah.
Good lad.
Well done, Jamie.
We've just been doing it in there, so yeah, that's good. Doing a few bits and bats for me today actually. We're just waiting on a delivery coming that they're going to take. So I've got to go see some jobs, and then Jamie's going to get this other tub set up here. So we've got another one, so we'll have 5 then. We've got 3 round there and 2 here. So are you going to move this van, Justin, ready for get Fort Chuck out? Yeah, he's on his way, he'll be here soon. So yeah, the lads are going to just get this delivery, do that, go up Rolling Centre, get a new gas closer, go to Thornton School because they've already broke the gas closer there, so they're going to replace that and just put a little section panel in, which they've already got loaded up on van here, look. So yeah, busy, and then they've got a palisade repair which we're waiting the delivery on, and I'll meet them on the job this afternoon and show them what's what there. So we'll catch you later.
Right, good afternoon, we're at Wishing Well Nursery, just come see it lads, see how they're getting on. Loads of half panels on this job, all downhill, so no big gaps. So let's have a quick look. So started up in this corner here. And literally, yeah, when you actually look at the bag is just counted, then there's only actually 2 full panels in job. And yeah, just that one there and that one down there. The rest of them are all halves. Well, it is a steep hill, so better stop not having the big gap. And then they're going to come back along here, gate there tomorrow, tie it into that, and then same at this side. They're actually ordered another gate, so we're going to put another gate in at this side here. And as you can see, look, even with the half panels, there's a gap underneath it. So imagine if it were full panels, just that gap there, just double it. That's what it would have been. So we've literally just got that bit to tie into there. Probably half a panel on there, the gate, and then the top side up here, and they're all done.
Hey up, we're here again in yard. Not Jamie here, look, they're just making some more shelves to put us water tubs on over there so we can get 2. We've just come back actually, we can secure the whole platform for us tubs. Yeah, actually quite, once they're actually in, and they're full, we've actually emptied them this morning, filled all those tubs up so we're ready to go, but once they're actually full these, filled a lot of water, they're actually quite heavy, so got to build quite strong platforms for them. But what we're going to do is just get digger, level this out a bit so it sits nice and level, and then should be sound. Like I say, we'll have 2 then coming off of this roof, and then we've got 3 coming off of that one. I'm unsure yet whether to put a bit of a roof on that one, get some more, but we'll see. Plenty of water then. It's summer, it does go a bit dry now and again. Not so bad when you work in places that have a water source, but sometimes they don't. With our game, we can be in the middle of nowhere in the field and stuff, Now then, we're still here. And this new office plumbed in. Wires. Well, just done my double screen. Look at that. Just making me a nice little network cable to go on yonder. Alright, when you've got a couple of kids who know what they're doing. What? Do you know what you're doing, Matt? You just moved this cabinet, look, there's cameras. We're getting there. Good afternoon. Friday afternoon. Wow, can't believe how quick it's gone this week. Really quick. Yeah, so we just finished. The lads have got some footage. They've just got back actually. They're just loading some scrap up that they brought back. They've been doing a fencing repair that I think you've seen that I installed actually with my late father probably 25-30 years ago. Stood the test of time. And this is through cars going into it, so yeah, lads have been repairing that. I've been busy doing site surveys and quotes, Sorry I haven't been on much, but we'll just go out, say goodbye to the lads. They're just about to go away some scrapping that they've brought back. Yeah, they've just brought it back on there, but they had all tools on, so couldn't really get it. So they're just gonna take this at scrap yard. Hopefully get a few quid for a few beers. What are you saying, Justin? How much beer money am I getting here? Is that it? That's no good, I'll soon drink that.
It was that bonus, Mark said.
What do you think, Jamie? A bit more than 20?
Oh, yeah. 80 quid.
Good lad. That might do me a few pints of Guinness tonight, mightn't it? Let's hope so. But yeah, we'll sign out there. It's been a good week and we'll catch you later.